Alright, so I want to do a review of this handheld saw. The battery just simply locks into the back side of it, and that's all you have to do for it. To turn it on, you simply hold this button here, and it's to go left or right, and that is essentially how it works. So I have a piece of wood here, and you'll be able to see how easy it is to do. And there you have it. So very, very easy to use. And you can see it did a pretty straight cut. I was doing this in the garbage can, a little bit of an angle, so not the best place, but it was a nice cut, very easy to use. It does come with 2 other blades. You just simply have a little wrench to get this off and replace it. But overall, very easy to use, not too heavy, and I really like it. And it's cordless, which is also a huge plus.